puso. Pero ako kami ni Julian ng 20 kaming dalawa. Di ba? Tayong dalawa. Ng 20 minutes ang inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and this is Julian. Boy. Have you realized that you are a superstar?
Actually, sa totoo lang dito, Boy, parang hindi ko po iniisip yung mga ganyan klaseng title. Because I'm just very, very grateful sa lahat ng mga blessings na pinagkaloob sa akin ni Lord. And in that way, nakakapagpasaya ako, nakakapagpa-entertain ako ng mga tao through my skills, like songwriting, through singing, through dancing, through hosting, through coaching. So, those things, yun yung parang pinaka nagmamatter sa akin because that's what I love to do. I call them addicts. Addicts. Kasi sobrang active nila sa lahat. Like, kunwari may mga ball shows ako, lagi silang pupunta doon. As in like, wala silang pinipiling oras na mag-stop. Parang gusto lang nila palagi, Julie, dito, ganyan. Tapos parang nag-ano sila, yung papatry sa Twitter. Tapos, so sobrang ano nila, active nila. Tinawag ko silang parang addicts. Pero, like, syempre, that was like, back then. Ang hirap na kasing gamitin ng term na yun. Ngayon, you know what I mean, you know what I mean. So, parang sabi ko, baka siguro it's about time then na bigyan ko ng proper fandom name yung
and it became Jomantes.
I just find it very, very sweet. And parang ano siya eh, actually wala talaga sa kanya yung tito ko. Kasi palagi niya akong nire-reassure. Kahit na naman anong mangyari, kahit ano pang sabihin ng tao, kahit marami kung may ayaw sa akin o kung ano man yung sabihin nila about me, it doesn't matter kasi, you know, I love you so much and hindi ko babago yan just because may mga ayaw sa akin.
Okay. Ang ganda na sinabi niya is I will keep on trying to win them. Di ba? Ganda. Brillante, Jomante. Class master, class president.
Class master.
Isa para sa lahat o isa laban sa lahat?
Isa para sa lahat.
Singing with Raver, cuddling with Raver.
Both?
Raver sa umaga, Raver sa gabi.
Raver sa umaga at sa gabi.
Oh, guilty or not guilty? Threatened kay Coach Pablo.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Napikon kay Coach Stel.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Makikipagkampihan kay Coach Billy.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nang busted ng katrabaho.
Guilty!
Guilty or not guilty? Nakipagrelasyon pero walang label.
Guilty!
Ideal age to get married?
In 3 to 5 years.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Best time for chocolates.
All the time.
Before the year ends, I will...
Before the year ends, I will make sure to write more songs.
Oh!
Ako, napakarami. Dahil 6th season na namin, it's the Clash 2024. Ngayon na lang ulit kami babalik. So, napaghandaan na namin at talaga nilook forward namin tong season na to kasi alam namin madaming magagaling na sasali and madaming gusto talaga na makamit yung mga pangarap nila through singing. So far, ito yung parang naging paborito ko na-interview sa, of course, aside from dun sa interviews namin ni Raver. Naantig yung puso ko because it's something personal. And it's nice kasi we shared, you know, we shared something na both na talagang alam na yung makakapag-inspire din sa mga other musicians and other artists din. So, para sa akin, malaking bagay yun kasi I was able to share something personal, like about myself, na alam kong ako yun. And yun, nakakatawa. So, sana maulit.